Hey everybody, this is Black, Gray, White, the Loser with a Dream, and we're here to continue on with the rank ladder climb in Ultra Ball Tier. I'd like to see if we can make it to Master Ball Tier today. I do want to apologize in advance. After that last little losing streak I had, I did go ahead and do a couple more battles just to get my rank back up a little bit. So I will say they were relatively easy-ish battles. I definitely had to think about some plays, but managed to not lose my place in rank 2. So let's see if we can make it to rank 1 and even to Master Ball. Let's get right into it and lose some games, what you say? I'm hoping that this weekend, which is when Indianapolis region happens, the first ever Pokemon Champions implementation in an official regional happens. Hopefully they'll tell us what the rules for the next season are, the next renovation, but arranging with Glamora. I am yeah, the Glamora is a little bit troublesome for me. I realized with last time I don't really have a lot of answers into Glamora, so I'm tempted to go Typhlosion, but they can just Sucker Punch me with if they leak in Gambit. Maybe let's start off with a Tailwind, the Dragon Pulse. Then go Floette. And maybe Tauros in the back? This is going to be a hard fight. I don't want to go Typhlosion, there's just too many risks here. With the being ranging up, I don't really see much of what it can offer, unfortunately. Yeah, that's the lead that I was worried about. There's no way they can stop me getting up this tailwind, which is good. I'm gonna try and get off some damage into this Glamora. I'm probably gonna lose. There's a chance I might lose both of my Mons this turn. Well, actually, I have Cobra Berry. That'll help me for one turn. But... okay, it's Mega Glamora. Which means I don't have to worry about toxic debris at least. I probably should have paid attention to that. Carelessness on my part. Insect Fangs. Great damage, actually. Yeah. Doesn't really matter. Do either of these mons get poisoned? Actually, could a Moonblast and Sucker Punch get this KO? No, actually, let me protect. I feel like the Glamora might go Protect, so let me go Moonblast here. Hopefully don't get a Defiant Claw. Yeah, and then my next turn, if I get knocked out. Yeah, that's what I thought. That's what I thought. No special attack drop, that's great. Whimsicott goes down, that's okay. I think I'm okay to go Sucker into the Glamora and then Dazzling Gleam. Don't have to risk getting Special Attack off here. And if the Sucker fails, then I don't have to risk getting hit by their Sucker. Okay. I think the following turn, if this Floette goes down, I can Aqua Jet. Oh, okay, that works. I don't take any damage on my Floette. That's so good. Which means I gotta be careful of Wide Guard now. That did a lot. That did a lot. I'm really worried about... Oops, nope. I'm really worried about this King Gambit here. I'm gonna go full out Moonblast here. And I think I wanna... This is hard. This is bad. Well, actually, no. Again, I have Aqua Jet. I have Aqua Jet, so... With the Tauros. Yeah, I'm okay with this. Yeah, it does. Awesome. It's really annoying, but... We're probably gonna get up a Electroshock here. I'm okay with that. Is there any way that... Yeah, I think I gotta go like this. I should have done Sucker. And accuracy drops, that's really bad. That makes us lose the game right there. Because now I'm taking way too much damage. Ugh, Glamora, I don't know if I have an answer to Glamora. It's so annoying. And of course, that's the first matchup I'm faced up with. And now the recoil is going to take me out, which sucks. Ugh. Okay. The right play is to Aqua Jet. And then... Aqua Jet Pelipper. Hope it gets the KO. Actually, can I stall this turn? No, I think the right move I play is to go Aqua Jet into the power pool. Hope that the gold marble hits. Yes. Okay, so whether I win or I lose depends on whether or not I get this. Nope, not enough. I'm not gonna. Ugh. What could I have done better? I made a couple of good plays, but after I should have focused on taking out that power curve. Because once they regained speed control, it was pretty much over for me. Overall, I felt okay about the lead. Overall, I felt okay about that, but yeah, once the tailwind got set up, I underestimated that Pelipper's speed under tailwind. They were just able to just like dish out too much damage for me to take, and the Dragapult was already super low to begin with. Please, no more. Well, actually, I don't know what to do. They're definitely gonna lead with that Sableye. I'm okay with a. I might be okay with the Typhlosion Whimsicott lead. The only troublesome thing is that Rotom, of course. Right in the back. They're definitely gonna go Rain Dance on this team. Maybe I should have let Tauros up front. Well, I mean, if it is a Basculegion, I could just pivot the Typhlosion out for the... Yeah, those early. Okay, so it's not Mega Scizor. And I can see them going for a Rain Dance right here. If they Swords Dance, I can Encore that the next turn. Yeah, that's pretty much what I expected. Okay, that's good. I will take that. I don't think it's gonna knock it out because of the rest of Rosalie, but... Or maybe it does. Okay, I'll take that. Cool. Cool. Now, do they Swords Dance or do they Iron Head? Or both? Well, now I can just Encore that. That's cool. Who else do they have? Do they have another Water type? Amaray, okay. I'm okay to break Multi-Scale here. actually... No, maybe I should... shuttle that there. I'm feeling myself. I'm at a loss of what to do, honestly. I'm glad I at least got the tailwind up, but... yeah, they're gonna knock out this thing is called? Yeah, wins the screen. I'm not super worried about Bullet Punch unless it's a crit because they haven't gotten up Sword Sense yet. Okay, what I can do is this. Dish off as much damage as I can. Okay. Yeah, I actually might just go with this. This Dazzle, I don't know what a Dazzling Beam gets me. Okay, yeah, it's probably gonna knock me out, unfortunately, but... Man, that does a lot. Okay, I don't really think that mattered, but... Alright, the question is, how much does Heat Wave do in the ring? Yeah, that's given. It's given. Okay, if this is their last turn of Tailwind. Yeah, I will go Aqua Jet here. And I'll go Heat Wave. And remind me again. 2 turns away. So close. Can I get both? Yes. Crit, but I don't really think it matters. I don't like the stamina boost, that's not great. Unfortunately, they reset the attack. I would love... Actually, yeah, let's go... Protect. Because after this, they can't get the Electro Shot boost. Or at least not immediately. Okay, double hits. Awesome. don't love that I have now has special attack. Yeah, two special attack. Two stamina boosts. Sorry, two defense boosts, which is going to make it hard for me to knock it out with a close combat. But okay. Can I hit a heat wave, please? Yes. Oh, wow, that's enough. Okay. Like I said, I'm trying to make it to Master Ball, but if I get demoted too many times, I might just call it, because like I definitely don't want to get burnt out and discouraged like last time. Yeah. For Glamora moving forward, I think I might want to focus my attention on the partner Pokemon. Maybe lead with Tauros. I'm sorry, excuse me, and focus on the secondary Pokemon. Is there? I don't really see a huge problem with leading Tauros and Floette. This is gonna be annoying if this is a manual rain set. Explosion in the back, and I don't really see what Serena adds here. Maybe I could get some use out of Dragapult. Maybe. The Clefable's a little annoying. I wonder if that's... really gotta pay attention to Megas. I gotta pay attention. Okay, so it is Mega Clefable. I'm not super worried. If this is a Rain Dance Clefable, then I'm fine to go like this. I'd like to get off as much damage as I can't tell if the Clefable is faster than my Tauros. Fine, that's what I was going to do anyways. Okay, so... that did a lot. That sucks. I would have gotten... one. Oh, it's well, actually, it doesn't really matter because I'm faster than both these ones here. Actually, who do they have? This Dazzling Gleam will pick up the KO into both. So yeah. Yeah, and Dazzling Gleam. Basket Legion. Okay, and I need to swap. Actually, I need to swap both of these. And then I'll go for Protect. Okay, so it's Mega Scissor. Expected as such, you need to go last respects into the... yeah. Is it okay to... I think, yeah, switch here. Basket Legion Sash, that's it. Which means yeah, I can go Shadow Ball there. And then the follow-up swap in for the Tauros and the following turn, just Aqua Jet. Unfortunately, my Fluorescent is a really bad spot. There's not really much I can do. Yeah. I think I survived one bullet punch, but I'm not sure. This is gonna be a long stream. Yeah, I think it's the right thing. And then try to get off some damage with that scissor. Will they both protect? Okay. What do I do? I don't know if I survived a last respects is the problem. They know that I have Aqua Jet. No, I gotta go Dazzling Beam, because if I take too much recoil, then they can definitely get me. They can only bullet punch one. Okay, that's awesome. Yeah, I knew it, I survived. And now they're in a dilemma where they can only attack one. right play is to wave crash on the or is it? Yeah, no, the right play is supposed to be. I take too much recoil. Do I miss the Light of Ruin? And does it KO? Just misses the KO! Oh! I should have gone Aqua Jet! Oh! Oh my gosh! Oh! I should have gone Aqua Jet. Oh my gosh. This is the third time I've just barely missed a KO. Oh my gosh. Okay, oh my gosh. I wish I could realize this stuff sooner, but I'm always making these misplays that throw me the match. It's crazy. Ugh. Why can't I realize this sooner? Well, actually, I'm not really worried about the Talonflame because I can't use priority with Serena up there in the front. Double Grass. Sleep Powder isn't a threat from the Venusaur, but unfortunately I am weak to the Poison type moves. I think I want Flow Type Fusion in the back. Because if I had gone Aqua Jet, it doesn't matter which one the Scizor. Well, actually, yeah, I think it did matter. Like, yeah, if I had gone Aqua Jet and gosh. Unfortunately, they have really good advantage into both my leads. I'm just going to try and get off as much damage as I can into this Venusaur. Because as long as that Talonflame's health is full, it can't attack either one of my mons. Oh, unless you have Flare Blitz. So I gotta be careful of that. Alright, do I hit the triple axe or do I get all 3 hits? I might Encore regardless, because, again, I don't know if that thing is Flare Blitz. Of course, but I don't think Yeah, because that thing. Went for the right move. Went to like. Really didn't. Oh, that's right. It's thick fat, of course. Do I? Then in that case, do I really even have anything that can take that thing out? I mean, I have the dragon. Yeah, I have Dragapult, but even so. Answers for Mega Venusaur. Oh, this is insane. Okay. Yeah, standard Mega Charizard team. The only thing I don't. I have a problem reading Wings Typhlosion. I don't think so. The question is... Actually... I've already got a bad feeling about this. I was anticipating something. I think I'm gonna Tailwind here. Most folks know that should I triple Axel or should I protect? I'm just gonna... Yeah, I'm gonna go into the Sneasler. I should have just attacked the Garchomp. And I get all 3 hits. The good news is, well... I can't believe it survived that, but I'm pretty sure it also just kills more. Or that. Yeah, I've been seeing a lot more Garchomps run Poison Jab, so that doesn't surprise me. No poison on the limbs of the side. I can see them swapping the Garchomp for the Charizard. That's fine. Dazzling Aim should pick up this KO. Who do they have here? Well, I mean, if it's Dragon Knight that needs to go in, then they just take a big chunk of KO. I can see them having Basque in the back as well. Oh, there's that. Okay, that makes things easy. Then I definitely double. Do I attack the Charizard or do I attack the Vascular? I might want to go into... Oh. Okay, that changes things. It might be okay letting... Oh, actually... King Gambit makes things tricky. I want to swap out because I don't want to get Sucker Punch. These black glasses. Okay, that's good. First turn, definitely should have gone triple lap so that Archon would just be gone. Okay, go sucker into the Floette. Bad damage. But now you've got a choice. Of course, it's I need to knock out this. I need to knock out this. King Gambit. That doesn't make any sense to me. And you're stalling out your own son. Actually, I don't think I can win this now. I'm too weak. Ugh. And of course I'm walking feet. I threw the game. I needed Serena in this. Yeah, maybe with the fairy art I might have gotten been able to get that. Yeah, I definitely would have got that with Fairy Aura. I'm just messing up all over the place today. Yeah, I should have swapped in Floette, then I would have gotten the KO. And then... I don't know. And then... though, to be honest, I'm not always sure what to do when it comes to Charizard live streams either. Trick Room team. What do I do? What do I do? Yeah, I gotta leave Typhlosion, because I can definitely see them having Fake Out for sure. Actually, yeah. Well, I don't think Helping Hand Eruption will be able to get it, though. This covers a lot of ground. All of it. Yeah, I definitely want that. If I lose this one, I'm just gonna drop the screen here. This has been really unfortunate. Just walking right into all these mistakes. It's kind of embarrassing too. I am a beginner, and there's, you gotta learn, but still, it's not a good feeling. Just move this way after using strength. Yeah, pretty much what I expected. Yeah, I don't think... I'm not sure if Helping Hand Eruption gets it. I'm gonna try. So I don't want to risk Power Whip and then missing it. And that's camera thing here. Eruption. I'm okay to go Eruption. If I have to lose one, then it needs to be... Which means I'm safe from Fake Out next time, at least. It is, of course. I can go Aqua Jet here. get good damage. If they swap in the Farigarath, that's fine. Yeah, let's go help. Yeah, Power Whip in case they swap. Okay, they don't. Awesome. Okay, I'm not gonna protect, that's fine. I'm not really super upset about that. Actually, I should probably swap out. I don't want to get locked into... If I get locked into Aqua Check, I can back from me. It's probably quite enough. That was a good read. Good read. And of course it was a crit. Good play. Problem is now we can't do that again. Who's the last one? If it was Glade, they would have shown it by now. I don't get a Defiant pop-off, that's good. Maybe get this knockout. Okay. Enough is enough. I just have not really been playing that well. And I'm starting to get bummed out again. About this one. What could I have done? What could I have done better? I should have doubled up. I guess I was just too afraid of the miss. Because if I had just knocked out that Farigarath, I would have been in such a better spot. I knew that it wasn't going to knock it out. I knew Helping Hand Eruption wasn't going to knock it out. But I guess it just would have been worth it to just go all in. What else? I could have also protected on the Tauros to stall out the Trick Room as well. But these are all some things to think about. This would definitely be a good video to look at just kind of analyze, kind of look through some of his plays as well later on, but I think I'm going to call it here, so thank you all for bearing with my terrible plays and inadequacy at this game. If you have any comments about any plays that I could have made better throughout these matches, please feel free to do so in this video. Subscribe if you like this, and I'll catch you guys later.